A Chinese robot maker went public and gained 629% before lunch. Google just got the right to buy 7% of a chip company for $12 billion. And a police tool now lets officers search for you using nothing but the way you drive. This is AI Pulse Daily, your daily AI news in under 3 minutes. Here's Thursday, August 20th. Story 1. Unitree Robotics listed on Shanghai Star Market on Wednesday and opened at 1,100 yuan, 629% above its offer price. That briefly valued the humanoid maker at around $66 billion. It closed up 460%. The retail tranche was oversubscribed more than 5,500 times, and DeepSeek was among the investors. For context, Unitree made about 278 million yuan in profit last year. My read. Nobody is pricing this on earnings. They are pricing the chance that China owns the humanoid supply chain, and that is a very different bet. Story 2. Marvell has handed Google a warrant to buy up to 59 million of its shares at $206 each. Fully exercised, that is $12.2 billion, and it would make Google Marvell's fifth largest shareholder. The shares unlock in 240 tranches, one for every $500 million of custom chips Google actually buys. The deal covers inference accelerators, networking and memory controllers around Google's TPU stack. Marvell jumped over 10%. Broadcom fell 3%. My take. Google did not buy a supplier. It bought an option that only pays if it keeps ordering, which is the cheapest kind of loyalty there is. Story 3. Reporters reconstructed an in-testing Flock safety tool called OS Investigate from files left exposed on Flock's own login pages. It lets an officer search for people using movement patterns alone. No plate, no name, no crime to start from. You give it a place, a window of time and a behavior, and it hands back the people who fit. It can cross-reference plate scans with case files, 911 dispatch logs and commercial identity databases to attach names, addresses and relatives. My read. License plate readers answered where was this car. This answers who behaves like a suspect, and those are not the same question. Rapid fire. OpenAI's chief financial officer Sarah Fryer told an all-hands the company will be public in 2027, or sooner, and said Anthropic listing first is fine. Microsoft finally patched a one-click Copilot flaw that quietly exfiltrated Gmail, Drive and Calendar data. It was reported 8 months ago. Samsung raised foundry prices by up to 15% as overflow demand piles in from a sold-out TSMC, and Google is giving American college students a free year of AI Pro, normally $20 a month. That's your pulse for Thursday. If this saved you an hour of scrolling, hit subscribe. There's a fresh one tomorrow. This has been AI Pulse Daily.